Welcome back. In this lecture we will generally discuss how you can create menu with WordPress. But later in the second section of this course you will learn in detail creating and designing menus. But right now you will get the idea of creating menu with WordPress. So for creating menu, go to your WordPress dashboard and here under appearance you will see the menus option. So click on this and here scroll down and write a name for your menu. So let's say for demonstration I will name it main menu. And then from here you can select the checkbox if it is a top menu or footer menu. So we are creating the top menu, so I will check the box for top menu. Then click on create menu. So our menu is now created and we can add pages, posts, custom links and categories to our this menu. So first of all, let's add some pages to our this menu. So right now we have only the terms and condition page on our website and the about us page. So I will check the boxes for both these pages and then I will click on add to menu. So you can see the terms and condition page and the about us page is added to our main menu. Now we will click on save menu. Now if you go to our website and if we refresh the page, so you can see the menu is created and the terms and condition page and the about us page is added to our this menu. Now if someone want to visit our about us page, so he will simply click on about us and he will be redirected to the about us page on our website. Now if someone want to go back to the main page or the home page of our website, so you can see we do not have a home page button here in our menu. So for adding that, we will copy the URL of our website like your website name.com. So I will copy this URL from here and we will go back to our menu dashboard and here we will scroll down and we will click on custom links and here I will paste our website URL like our website name.com and then in the link text I will write home. Then we will click on add to menu. So you can see the home item is added to our menu. Now we will click on save menu and then we will refresh our website. So you can see the home item is added in our menu. Now if we click on home, so you can see it redirect us to the main page of our website. But we need this home item to be on the first position here, not on the last position in the menu. So for that, we will go to our menu dashboard and we will click on home item. We will drag it and we will drop it on the top. Now we will click on save menu and we will refresh our website. So you can see the home item is now in the first position in the menu. Now if you want to add your blog post categories here in your menu, so you can do that as well. So for that, first of all, we will need to create an item with the name blog and we will add that item in our menu. So we will go to our menu dashboard and here we will go to custom links and in the URL field we will write any URL because this will not be a clickable item. So write any URL and later we will remove that URL. So for demonstration I will write here our website name and then in the link text I will name it blog. Then we will click on add to menu. So you can see the blog item is added to our menu. So we will click now on the drop down and here we will remove this URL. Then we will click on save menu. Now if we refresh our website, so you can see the blog item is added to our menu and if we click on this, so you can see this is not a clickable link. Now under this blog item we will add our post categories. So for that again we will go to our menu dashboard and here we will go to categories and we will click on view all categories And then from here you can select the categories that you want to add to this blog item. So for demonstration, I will select the Chinese food category, Arabic food, Italian food, French food, and Russian food. Then I will click on add to menu. So you can see these categories are added to our menu. Now if you click on save menu and if we refresh our website, so you can see all the post categories are added to our menu. But we need this category as a drop down under this blog item. So for that we will go to our menu dashboard. And here we will click on these categories and we will drag and drop it under blog. So you can see we have drag and drop these categories under the blog item. Now we will click on save menu and we will refresh our website. So you can see now the post categories are added as a drop down under the blog item. Now if someone wants to read our Italian foods post, so he will click here on Italian foods and here he will see all the posts in these categories. But right now we have only the margherita pizza post in this category. And if someone wants to go back to our home page, so he will click on home. So this is how you can create menu with WordPress. Later in the second section of this course, we will also create contact us page and we will add that to our menu. And also we will create the affiliate section in the menu. So there you will learn in more detail about creating and designing menus.